Hello, and welcome. In this video, we show you the basic structure of your Linknovate tech scouting and competitive intelligence platform. Your user ID is shown in the upper right, next to the notifications bell. In the upper left, you see the three basic areas within your Linknovate platform. The Help section contains tutorials how everything works, including video tutorials. InnoScout and InnoBits are your scouting and monitoring tools. InnoBits allows to program alerts on any innovative topic or organization of interest. It is a monitoring system, which alerts you whenever something new comes up in your field. InnoScout is your advanced search and scouting system, which provides extensive data analytics and visualizations to help you identify key information quickly and conveniently, like the most relevant organizations working in a certain technological field, the topic evolution over time, trends and weak signals within any technology field, or the commercial readiness of a technology. InnoScout and InnoBits search over the same data, and they use the same search term structure. You can take searches from InnoScout to InnoBits and from InnoBits to InnoScout. All over the entire Linknovate platform, you'll find features to enhance convenience and user-friendliness, as well as extensive teamwork functions. You can learn more about these functions in specific video tutorials. Happy scouting!